Renee, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a soft glam look. So if you want to see how I do it, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I did my eyebrows off camera, but I'm put concealer on my eyelids as an eyeshadow base, and then I'm going to set it with the Airspun loose face powder. I love this palette. I'm going to be taking this Huda Beauty Nude palette, and I'm going to be using that like mauve color, and I'm going to be putting that in my crease and blending that out. This look is really simple. It's only 2 colors that I'm going to be using, and that's how I get my, you know, soft glam look. But yeah, I'm just going to be putting this all in my crease and everything and blending it out. So then I'm going to be taking that light pink color, and I'm going to put that over my eyelid and kind of like in my crease too, because I have like hooded eyelids. So yeah. So after I did my lids and everything, I went back with the same color that I used, that darkish mauve color, and I'm just applying more in my crease and blending that out so that there's no harsh lines and everything is seamless. So now I'm applying that same Airspun face powder with a damp beauty blender on my oily spots, because your girl gets super oily, so I always do this before putting on my foundation. And the foundation that I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I think it's in the color 365, but everything will be in my description box that I used on my face down below. Now I'm going to be taking that NYX concealer, and I'm going to be putting it, you know, under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, and on my chin. Basically, this is going to be my regular face routine. If you guys have seen my previous makeup videos, and if you haven't, go check them out, okay? So now I'm going to be applying eyeliner. I rarely wear eyeliner, but for this look I do like a little bit of eyeliner. I don't do a wing or anything for this look, but yeah, I just do a thin line on my eyes and then I apply my lashes. This is some bomb lip gloss by Keseana Cosmetics. Okay, if you have not gotten yours, you need to order it right now. I'm using the color Skin. Okay guys, that is it for this soft glam makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.